Hey guys, so let's try this again. This will be the third time that I've been trying to do this video because my phone is acting up. So today I'm unboxing the Daily Goodie box. Now some of the stuff is open because I tried to do this video before and my phone was just not cooperating. So the first one I'm going to pull out of here is this. It's a shot, and it's pickle juice. Now, I did try this. I should have refrigerated it. And it tastes like pickle juice, because obviously it's pickle juice. But it says that to prevent muscle cramps or at the onset, to stop exercise induced or nighttime cramps. And it's sugar-free, caffeine-free, gluten-free, and no protein allergens. So that's pretty cool. These are really good. Like, they have a very oatmeal taste. It's sweet potato oatmeal raisin. I don't think you can taste the raisin or the sweet potato, but you definitely taste the oatmeal. And it's it says nutritious, happy, creative, kind, veggie, full, delicious, allergen friendly. And there's a little bit in here, and I'll show you what it looks like. They're like little crispy. That's pretty good. Sorry if you hear my fan, but it's like really hot in here. And then next are these meat whites. And I'm gonna take these downstairs for whenever we eat dinner, or maybe I'll have my aunt put them in her car in case we ever need to like wipe our hands like on the go. Now this was my favorite thing in the box. This Collagen iced tea, mango pineapple. You couldn't taste the pineapple, but you can definitely taste the mango. And I like this. So also all the stuff that I talk about is going to be in the description. Although I have to watch, because with this it has 27 grams of sugar, and I'm not supposed to be having sugar. But I drank that. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I drank it in one setting. This is Trilipiderm. And this is like a body cream. So I'm definitely excited about using that. Now, this next one, like, it's pretty cool. It's Space Case Cosmetics. I like the packaging on it. And I'm kind of sad because, and like, it's nobody's fault, honestly. But when it came like that. And like, I mean, it's still usable because I can take it and use it on that side. But like, I was kind of sad that it wasn't intact. But like I said, like, it's nobody's fault. Stuff happens. Like, it's no big deal. It's still usable. I'll use it. And then there's this whipped sugar scrub. Ooh. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells pretty good. It actually reminds me of like a lemonade type smell. Huh. Can't wait to use that. Ooh, it has a little shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little shimmer to it. And then the last is Pavani Ayurveda. I'm saying that wrong, I know I am, so sorry about that. But it's mint fling oil. Ooh, very minty. And it's not oily. Like most oils, they have like that disgusting, like really bad oily situation where it just like runs off you, but this is not like that. Okay guys, so that's all that's in the goodie box. So like I said, everything will be linked below. So I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.